Happy Thanksgiving up in the kitchen doing our thing as we normally do. We have some greens cooking that has some collards with some kale, has some ham hocks over in there. Happy Thanksgiving. Woo, hold up. Also have some good old yams cooking. Ooh, can you see? Good old yams cooking up. There they go. I have the homemade cornbread for the dressing. You know, it has been a discussion about dressing or stuffing. I've always known about cooking dressing. You do your cornbread from scratch. You put your sage and your broth, and you do your thing for your dressing. That's what I've been taught to do from my mom. But it was a question of the nature of dressing or stuffing. I feel like it's two different things. Let me know, do you call it stuffing or dressing? And my understanding, what I have learned, dressing is what you make homemade from scratch. Stuffing is that box that you buy at the store called stove top stuffing that I only seen the box. I never tasted it. But anyway, it's not for me. I don't believe. So anyway, what do you call it, stuffing or dressing? Either way, homemade or store-bought. Do you call it stuffing or dressing? Let me know that. I already, the round pan that I did in the cast iron skillet, I already placed some here in this bowl. So I'm getting ready to start crumbing that cornbread up to go ahead and make that dressing. I have one thing of chicken broth here. I'm gonna see if I have any more. So this is 33% less sodium. So we have some chicken broth to make the dressing. Some of you may have seen, or if you've been rocking and rolling with me a long time, you already know we are big on ducks as well. So we have 2 ducks. We normally have turkey and duck. So we have 2 ducks here. I got these at Aldi. Prices are more reasonable than at other stores. So yeah, it's a little bit different. We do have a turkey this year, but we're going to go ahead and save that for Christmas, I guess, because it's not so much our regular traditional Thanksgiving. We will be going to my oldest son's house where he's going to have turkey and all that already prepared, but we are preparing some things here at home at the house, and we're going to be taking some things there to add on to the dinner at his house. So yeah, so everybody's kind of taking initiative this year on the meal. Taking a little bit of weight off of me as far as the cooking. So, no stress, loving it. Here where you cannot see it so well, but in these two pans right here, my son Tay, he has already arrived here at our home. He's going to travel over to my oldest son's house. He made 2 pans of macaroni and cheese. Homemade macaroni and cheese, not from that box. My sons, they learn. They know how to do it. My husband cook, my sons cook. We all are taking part. So yeah. Then right here, I already boiled and had my yams boiled and ready to do some sweet potato pies. I already put my fork in them and check to make sure they're soft all the way through. So yeah, a good little roll here, good little timing. It is only 11:50 in the morning on Thanksgiving Day, so it's coming along pretty good. Okay, y'all all up in my personal space, but that's okay. I don't mind. What I'm looking for under here in the little lazy Susan. Is this what y'all call y'all? The lazy Susan? Where you put your stuff in here and spin it around. So anyway, what I'm looking for to see, do I have any more chicken broth? Look at that, it's syrup back there. Oh my goodness, syrup back there. What's this? Some Karo syrup. It's stuff that the camera helping me figure it out. Got some corn syrup. I got some condensed milk. So I got quite a bit of what I need. Oh, chicken poetry rub. But yeah, a lot of stuff that I need is under here. But I am looking for some more chicken broth, which I do not see any. But I'm going to get a good broth. I'll get some broth off of the ducks. And yeah, I should have another broth somewhere. I'm going to look and see. But anyway, still cooking. Look at my hun doctoring on these ducks. Get on, honey. Yes. Y'all, if y'all want to see my husband do some cooking videos, let me know in the comment section. Cause he is so interested. He loves to cook, and he keeps saying, "I'm gonna upload some cooking videos." Let me know if y'all gonna watch them. Yes, he can teach everybody some things about cooking and maneuvering around that kitchen. Look at these. These are the ducks. Honey, you want to give any tips on this right now, today? Not yet? Okay. Well, let us know in the comment section. What you about to sprinkle on here now? You don't want to talk? It's going to put some salt on there to take out some of the freshness, correct? So, honey, what you doing in your videos? Voiceover?
I don't know. Probably would like list and something like that.
Maybe that or something. Okay. Interesting. He always cooks with gloves on. And you should wear the black gloves when you start doing your videos.
I think I'm out of the black gloves. Somebody use them when they put their dye in their hair.
Oh, I'll get some more black gloves. Oh, he is putting the salt inside of the duck. They need to be seasoned on the inside as well. Anyway, we'll come back and let y'all see. I've started mixing up the dressing. Got my sage in there. Gotta get the rest of my chicken broth and my celery, onions, and bell pepper and all of that in there. But it's on its way. Also, mixing up my sweet potato fries. Oh my gosh, oh my goodness. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Gonna be good. All right, y'all seeing that? Y'all seeing that? Ooh. All right, y'all seeing that? It's coming together nicely. Sweet potato pie feel. Homemade. I still need to get my mixer out and mix it up, make it smooth. That will stir it up really smooth. Will help get any, the little strings out there being the potatoes. Have my condensed milk. Put that in there. I did about a can and a half. Have some pure vanilla extract. I have some ground cinnamon. Also some ground nutmeg. I did put some eggs in there. What else? I mean, I can't tell everything, can I, or can I? Yep, I put a couple little other little things in there. Anyway, coming along. Some of the ingredients for the dressing. The eggs and the cornmeal. I made cornbread. So we're gonna put some butter in here, a little butter.
But yeah,
I'm gonna save some of that. I'm gonna make this into 2 pans. Then I'm going to make this into 2 pans, or divide this into 2 pans of dressing. And then do the duck. Gonna have to figure out one way to get some of my turkey, my duck, and dress it to my dad one year. Fix him some. He need to make a visit. And also, we're gonna have turkey at my oldest son's house, so we are going to just save the house turkey for Christmas. Looking good. Look at them ducks. I just stole some of the broth out of there. I gotta put a little more water in there, but I just stole some of the broth off of them bad babies for the dressing. Oh yes. Bring the flavor. Yes, and I do not like watered down dressing, so I put eggs in mine to make them a little more solidy, but not stiff. You know what I'm saying? You'll see. Okay, the pie fill, sweet potato pie fill is all mixed up. Homemade, boiled my sweet potatoes, everything. The yams, whatever you want to call them. Then I have my pie crust here, which are not homemade. They are the deep dish ones, which I would prefer the other ones, but we're going to work with these ones. And they are store-bought from Kroger. So I have 4 of these. 2 packs of 2. So yeah, about to pour this in here. Hold on. Here's something around here. Oh, good. Made it. My son favorite part. I got turkey, dressing, duck, ham, potatoes, eggs. Ooh. Okay, it's so nice. Hello. There's some macaroni.
I mean, I'm just saying mine are.
What's these over here? Okay. Y'all about ready? Everybody getting ready? Oh, really? Oh, really?
Like 5 years old.
So I don't have a millennial?
Millennial.
5 centennial boomers.
I don't think so.
No, I don't think you're a boomer.
76
Yeah, that's what I'm confused about.
I can take a picture if you guys want. Or does it work that fancy?
Oh, yeah, you can take it.
Well, it may need to be sideways.
What are you talking about?
Sit next to you because you'll smell that.
Talk right now. Sorry.
What you got?
No, don't be.
Same with her drink does it too.
He's still like
Yeah, he didn't try like that in the room.
I apologize. There was just things happened kind of quick. I was just trying to make.
Oh, you don't need any more? If you need to keep it, I have some around
I
home.
probably can put it to use.